Fire safety is crucial in any environment. Knowing how to use a fire extinguisher can save lives. There are different types of fire extinguishers. Each is designed for specific fire classes. Water extinguishers are for Class A fires, like wood or paper. Foam extinguishers handle Class A and B fires, such as flammable liquids. CO2 extinguishers are effective on electrical fires. Dry powder extinguishers can tackle Class A, B, and C fires. It's important to know which extinguisher to use. The PASS acronym helps remember how to use a fire extinguisher. First, pull the pin to unlock the extinguisher. Squeeze the handle to release the extinguishing agent. Finally, sweep the nozzle from side to side until the fire is out. Remembering PASS is key to effective fire response. Understanding fire extinguisher types and the PASS method is essential. It ensures quick and safe action in emergencies. Stay prepared and stay safe.